We all know the story. An outage hits your company. You reassure your biggest client it'll be fixed quickly. Then you discover your backup doesn't actually work. It's the fastest way to lose a client and possibly your job. So here's the question I ask every business owner and every board. How long can your business survive with no email, no payments, no client records? I call this timeline your fatal hour. It's far more important than asking how long until IT fixes it, because by the time IT restores anything, the damage is already done. Money lost, reputation hit, and maybe client gone. So let's calculate yours. Step 1. List your critical functions. For my business, there are 4: email, payments, client portal, project files. Step 2. Estimate each one honestly. Email down. Would an active client tolerate that being the case for 12 hours? Payments frozen. Maybe you could get away with 2 days. Client portal offline. I estimate my clients would leave after 6 hours. So my fatal hour is 6 hours, the shortest survival time. Most leaders discover their fatal hour is much shorter than they expected. And once you know it, you finally understand how serious an outage could be. Now ask yourself, do your defenses match that timeline? A quick stack audit helps. For example, passwords, 43% of SME breaches start here. 1 week login can trigger an instant outage. Backups. 31% of companies fail during a ransomware restore. If you need a 3-day recovery, but your fatal hour is 6 hours, you have a serious problem. Staff training. 39% of breaches come from phishing. How often do you train your team? If you want to go deeper than the fatal hour and actually build a security shield that matches your business risk, then take a look at my course, IT Security for SMEs. It's written for managers and business leaders, not IT professionals. No jargon, no complexity, just the essential decisions every SME leader must get right. In under 1 hour, you'll learn the simple system I use with my clients, how to become a hard target for hackers, how to check your backups properly, how to audit your tech stack, how to train staff to avoid the scams that take companies down. Plus, there are 8 practical downloads you can use immediately in your business. The link is in the description, and remember, keep simplifying your strategy.